My dear students, today we will study Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's universal law of gravitation. This law states that the force of attraction between two objects m1, this is m2, is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between their centers. You have to be very careful. Distance between their centers. That is, F is directly proportional to m1, m2. F is inversely proportional to r square. Combining these two expressions, we can write this is F1, M1, M2 upon r square. So this F, the force of attraction, this can be written as G M1, M2 upon r square. This G is known as the gravitational constant. Now if M1 is equal to M2, it is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1 meter. You can say it is 1 kilogram. Then F is equal to G. So the gravitational constant is numerically equal to force of attraction between two masses, each of mass 1 kg and separated by a distance of 1 meter. This G is independent of the size of the objects. It is also independent of the nature of the medium between the two objects. That is why it is known as the universal law. Now let us see the units. So G is equal to, this is F r square upon m1 m2. So unit of SI unit of force is Newton. This is meter square and this is minus kg. So this is the SI unit and the numerical value G, it is equal to 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. And in case of CGS 6.67 10 to power minus 8, it is 9 centimeter square per gram square. We can see the dimension formula from this equation. The dimensions of F, dimensions of capital G, gravitational constant, that is G is equal to m L T minus 2 and this is distance, this is L2 upon m1 m2, that is m2. So you can write it m minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, m minus 1, L 3 and T you can say minus 2. So the dimensional formula of gravitational constant is m minus 1, L 3 and T minus 2. It is universal constant because its value always remains constant. It is independent of the size of the objects. It is independent of the medium between the two objects and it is applicable everywhere between any two objects in the universe. That is why it is known as the universal law of gravitation. Thank you.